Want to know how to download or install the Waze app on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, you can do and follow the process if you are on iPhone or Android. The process is same for both of these devices. Simply head towards Play Store or the App Store if you are on iPhone. And once you're there, simply head towards the search bar and type in Waze. Once you've typed in Waze, simply search up for it, and right here you can see Waze navigation app. So just simply select it to extend more, and you can just check its about info, updates and reviews as well. Now once you're done with all of that, you can just simply select install right here. So you can also install on different devices by selecting this arrow icon and install on various devices you are logged in on. And once you've selected install, your Waze navigation should start installing after a while. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.